52 kanji number in case of a small or little. So kanji is very easy. So here middle one, this is the left portion, this is the right portion. So again roughly, so this one and this. So sound is sho and chi, sho and chi. So we'll know some word and meaning. So here first word shogaku, shogaku, shogaku elementary school, elementary school, shogaku, that means elementary school. Here sho and gakku. So here so kanji, and this one, this is the long and short, and this is the equal. So elementary school means from the 6 years to 10 years. In Japan this is called elementary school. In Bangladesh this is the primary school. So shogaku, shogaku, that means elementary school. Here is sisai ie, a small house. This means house, or here is a small. So sisai. So like that the kanji chi and sai hiragana. Chisai ie, ie means house. So the order like that, ie, a small house. Chisai ie, a small house. So here is shosesu, shosesu. So here is long sound. Shosesu, shosesu, a novel, a novel. Actually here, so shosesu, sho. So here shosetsu. So here is shesu, here is sho. A novel, that means a small story. So shosetsu.